Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing one of the many projects, customizations, and solutions we created for our merchants over the years. The topic we'll be discussing today in this presentation is the Google Sheets project. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Frequently, merchants ask us about automating their critical business processes. Some of the reasons they cited were that many of their processes were repetitive in nature and prone to error. They were falling short of their productivity goals, and many of their business processes required faster completion and turnaround. Also, they wanted to minimize staff intervention as much as possible. They realized automation was the only way they could grow their business profitably, so they contacted us for help. In this presentation, we'll explore a solution we designed, developed, and implemented for Global Teck. Global Teck needed a system to automate their replenishment and purchasing process. Decision makers were at disparate locations worldwide, so they used Google Sheets for team members to share and collaborate on purchasing decisions. Prior to automating, they had to manually generate a series of reports and export them to Excel. They performed some additional data processing with Excel, then upload those spreadsheets to their corresponding Google Sheets. This process was labor-intensive, time-consuming, error-prone, and took all day. Due to the sheer volume of data, they could not consistently meet production deadlines, causing disruption with their procurement process. Global Teck realized the current process was unsustainable. They needed an automated system to process replenishment data and to upload their Google Sheets reliably and consistently. They needed an automated system to process replenishment data and upload to their Google Sheets reliably and consistently. This project highlights solutions and technologies we've used for various merchants. Let's get started with the Google Sheets project presentation. Let's review the Google Sheets project. The challenge: Global Teck needed a way to automate their product replenishment and purchasing process. Decision makers were at disparate locations worldwide, so they used Google Sheets for team members to share and collaborate on purchasing decisions. In order to populate daily product replenishment data for the Google Sheets, they had to generate a series of reports from various sources. They exported those reports to Excel spreadsheets. They performed additional data processing with Excel, then uploaded those spreadsheets to their corresponding Google Sheets. This process was labor-intensive, time-consuming, error-prone, and took all day. Due to the sheer volume of data, they could not consistently meet production deadlines, causing daily disruptions in their procurement process. Global Teck believed the current process was unsustainable. They needed a system to automate data processing so it could be automatically generated and uploaded to Google Sheets without the need for any staff intervention. The solution: it all begins with a Google Sheets synchronizer automatically generating two separate product replenishment reports for marketplace reporting at a designated time, each report having specific select criteria and data elements. Once the reports are generated locally, the data from both reports are uploaded to the respective Google Sheets using their REST API and JSON data format. From Global Teck's perspective, it is now a simple process of logging into their Google Sheets and performing their daily product replenishment tasks. They no longer give any thought to how or when. It's always there, up to date, on the hour, every hour. The bottom line: the Google Sheets project for Global Teck demonstrates the whole point of business process automation. Take a complicated, labor-intensive, time-consuming data processing task that takes your staff the whole day to complete and automate it. So those same processes are done in minutes. Automation frees your staff to do more important things for your business and let your computer do what it does best, which is data processing. This project is a good example where automating is the right answer and best course of action. This wraps up our presentation of the Google Sheets project. Business process automation is a specialty of ours. What takes your staff hours or days to accomplish manually can be automated to process the same task reliably and consistently. Start to finish, automated processes should take seconds or minutes, not hours or days. Let your computers do what it does best: process data. Automation is crucial for any business, especially yours. You can contact us at sales@Marketplace Reporting to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. Join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.